Hello Pepsters, this is Pao Panyamoy and I'm your Pep Crew for today. For today's vlog, samahan niyo kami for SB19 simula at wakas concert in Philippine Arena. Imagine this, after performing in various local and international venues, SB19 is now set to take the stage at the Philippine Arena, the world's largest indoor arena with a seating capacity of 55,000. Another achievement too for SB19. So tara, samahan niyo kami at pakinggan natin live ang ating mga favorite SB19 songs.